Good afternoon, girls. This video is in continuation as we were doing chapter operators in Java. Okay, in that chapter, the next topic is precedence and associativity of operators. What is the precedence? Precedence is actually hierarchy, as you must have done in maths board mass rule. Okay, bracket of division, multiplication, addition, and subtraction. So this will be like that only. Precedence, this is an order or sequence in which the different operators will be evaluated in an expression. So it's basically the sequence of operations in an expression is controlled by phenomena known as precedence or hierarchy of operations. In your books, the table is given over there related to the precedence and associativity of all the operators. Okay, these are the operators and this is the rank from higher to lower. Okay, and this is the associativity, how they will be evaluated. Okay, like brackets have the highest order. The brackets are at the top in the hierarchy. They will be solved first. Okay, in the order left to right. Then the second is these operators: unary plus, unary minus. Okay, typecasting, plus plus, minus minus, increment and decrement. You must be knowing. Then not. All these are second priority, from right to left. You have this table in your books. Okay, then multiplication, division, modulus, then again binary plus and binary minus. Okay, shift operator and bitwise operator is not in your course. Okay, so all the operators are given there in the table. You just need to go through the table. Okay. Now, for example, A equals to 5 plus 3 into 2. Okay. B equals to 5 plus 3 into 2. In these two statements, final value of A becomes 11 and the final value of B becomes 16. A 11. Okay, you calculate this expression, evaluate this expression. What will be the result? 5 plus 3 into 2. In this hierarchy, okay, in the precedence order, the multiplication will be taken first. Okay, so 3 into 2, 6. 6 plus 5, 11. Okay, so 11 will be the answer of this. But now in second example, 5 plus 3 is within brackets and bracket will be solved first. So 5 plus 3, 8. 8 into 2, 16. Okay, this is the way you will be evaluating the expression according to their precedence order. Fine. Otherwise, you can get this result also: 5 plus 3, 8 into 2, 16. But that will be wrong for this. That will not be according to the precedence order of operators. Okay, so the correct answer of this one will be 11. Okay, this is the way you can solve or evaluate an expression according to their precedence and associativity of operators. Okay, now the next topic of the chapter is the special operators. As I told you, two new special operators, new and dot. Okay, so first we will discuss the new operator. The new operator in Java is dynamically allocates memory in the heap. In other words, the new operator in Java is responsible for creation of new object or instance of a class. Dynamic allocation means the memory is allocated at the runtime of the program. And the main advantage of this concept is that your program can create as many objects or memories as required during program execution. And here is the example of use of new operator. Okay, so simply you need to know that new is an operator that is used to create instance or object of a class. And whenever we use new operator to create instance or object, we allocate dynamically the memory to that. Okay, so dynamically allocates memory for the object or instance, and with the help of new operator you can create the object of a class or instance of a class. Now, how to create object of a class or instance of a class? You can create one object or more than one object. You can create more than one object of the same class. Okay, product is the class name, this one is the object name, equals to, new is a keyword in small letters, again class name, parenthesis, semicolon. Okay, this is the way how to create object of a class. How to create object of a class? You will be writing class name first, class name followed by space, then object name, any name you can take, any meaningful name you can take, then equals to new keyword in small, it's a keyword, space, again class name, same name, parenthesis, can be empty or with parameters also as per the requirement of your program. Okay, so how to create object of a class? Class name, object name equals to new keyword, you can take any name. Okay, and this will be the name of the class whose object you are going to create. Okay, again class name followed by parenthesis, semicolon. Suppose the class name is product, so the object, how you will create the object of class product? Class name, any object name you can take, obj I have taken, new keyword, again class name, that is product, followed by the parenthesis and the semicolon. Okay, so you can create object of a class like this by this statement. You can break this statement in two statements also, product, obj, okay, then obj equals to new product. Fine, and you can write both the sentences like this also. There is no use of writing two sentences. Okay, so this is the way how to create object of any class. Okay, if any other class object you have to make, you will change the name of class at both the places. You can take any other object name, new keyword will be there, the same sentence will be there. You will be changing the names only. Okay, now dot operator. Okay, so using dot operator you can invoke the members of class. Okay, as I told you earlier that class encapsulates two things, data as well as functions. Okay, two members can be there within a class, number of data and number of functions. More than one function can also be within a same class. Okay, so to access the members or to invoke the members of a class, we use dot operator. Okay, suppose we have created object of a class with the name obj, and this class is having a data price, so we can access that variable by using dot operator. Obj dot price equals to 169.25. This statement will initialize the price variable of the class, okay, with this value, means referencing price with this one to obj. Okay, this is the object of class. Okay, dot, and this is the member operator, sorry, dot operator, and this is the data member or variable of the class. Suppose in a class sum you have taken a variable, So you can write, you will make the object of that, okay, like sum this way, sum obj equals to new sum. This is the memory allocation, okay. We are allocating the memory to object, or we are creating object or instance of the class sum with the help of the new operator. Now we have to initialize the, suppose this class is having a variable a, so obj dot a, we are accessing the data member of class sum with the help of this dot operator, member of class, okay, with the help of dot operator, equals to 5, okay. So this is the way you can use the dot operator, okay. So obj is the object of class dot operator to access the member, and price is the data member or variable, and this is the value you are assigning to this, okay. Now print methods, okay, methods to display or to print something on the screen, print output on the screen. We have discussed these methods earlier also. These are SOP and SOPLN, okay. Print and println are the methods. SO is not the method name actually, okay. System.out.print and system.out.println. System is Java predefined class, that is why S is capital. As I told you, the predefined classes, the initial will be capital if one word is there, and if more than one word is there, then initial of all the words will be capital. Dot is the operator, dot or period, called member operators. Then out, name of the object of print stream, okay. Standard output device is monitor. Print and println, these are the methods. If you are using println, you will be getting the this is print method that performs printing in means new line, okay. On the new line you will be printing the message whatever you have written within the double quotes within parenthesis. System.out.print, system.out.println. The only difference is of ln, new line, and in print no new line. Otherwise whatever you will be writing within the double quotes, in the brackets, that will be printed on the screen as it is, okay. For example, print, if you are writing system.out.print, the value of x equals to 3, y equals to 4, this will be printed like this. And if you are using println, the output will be like this on separate lines, okay. That is the only difference. We have discussed this print and println method earlier also.